This alarm was issued by the United States government at 0800 hours in response to ongoing phenomena. The oceans have betrayed us. The once calm waters have turned hostile. Years of pollution have angered the seas, and are causing mass tsunamis and other related disasters. Avoid the coast. Move further inland. Reports have arisen that ominous and unusual noises are being heard from the sea. Local fishermen have provided an audio recording of the phenomena. Stay tuned for more updates in this unprecedented time. Reports from around the world detail malevolent organisms rising from the sea. These unknown beings seek nothing but destruction and death. It is advised to stay at least 500 miles away from any coastal area.